Hi, I'll be taking you through setting up your inventory field. You can use your inventory field to keep track of product orders, event registration, appointments, or bookings. Head over to the Choice Fields section of the Builder page, then select Inventory. Click on Settings. Inventory is the default name that comes with it, but you can choose to switch it to something else. Accept payments. This is if you want to collect payments from your form responders. Payment methods. We have different payment methods, but I will be going with PayPal. I will be going with US dollar, but you can switch your currency. If your product is out of stock, you can either hide your product or give a out of stock label. Add new product. Product title. Price. Add image. You can either choose to upload your image from your device or use a link. Your image has successfully been added. For your label, you can use anything you'd like, but be sure to add a comma. Enable stock. Please note that this isn't a compulsory step and you don't need to take it. Flat stock, for when you have one stock figure for all options, and varying stock, different stock figures for all options. The add variant option is for when you have additional variants you need to add. I'll be going with extra large. Next, this is also not a compulsory step. The category option allows you to group your product so it will be easily accessible. Remember to save. Your inventory field has now been linked to a payment option, and this will pop up as soon as your responders click on submit.